Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Pixie MUA and today I'm going to be reviewing the Colourpop Cosmetics Good as Gold palette, and this is the look I created with it. I haven't done a proper makeup tutorial in ages. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. So if you would like to see how I got this look and what I thought of the Colourpop Cosmetics Good as Gold palette, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've started with my base makeup on. I'll leave everything that I've already got on down in the description box so if you're interested in any of those. I do have the Lottie London liquid lipstick on in Fleek with a random gloss just over the top. So I'm going to be using the Good as Gold palette today by Colourpop Cosmetics. I got this a few weeks ago and I'm really excited to try it. I have never tried any of the Colourpop Cosmetics eyeshadows before, so I'm really excited. I love their liquid lipsticks and I think this packaging is beautiful. I also got the purple version of this as well. However, I've decided I really want to just do a gold glam kind of look. I haven't done that in so long, so I thought we'll do a quarantine glam look. I'm not going anywhere later, but why not make yourself feel better? So the packaging's really nice. This is the dust cover and it sort of looks a little bit like sequins, and it's the same when you open it up. As you can see, it's just got like the gold sequins on it, and then the butterflies are embossed as well as the writing, and then it is just pure gold on the back. It's quite shiny, so I'll try not to like blind you with that. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. The only thing I wish that this was a mirror, because this would be really nice to travel. As you can see, it's all like gold and neutral tones. This black here is so pigmented. I did a swatch of it when I first got the palette. I'm really excited to get going because I just love like the tones of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see my eyes a bit better. So first off, I'm going to go in with the colour State of Mind just all over the lid, just to give it a sort of a nice wash of colour. Okay, and then I'm going to use this colour here, Trooper, to go through the crease. That is super pigmented already. I really like that colour. That's a really lovely transition shade, and you can see just how pigmented that is. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just sort of blend the edges slightly, and then I'm actually going to run that colour under my lower lash line as well. Okay, so as I said, I'm really impressed with that colour actually. It's like a really lovely transition shade, and on my pale skin it actually goes really well. And now to deepen the transition colour, I'm going to go in with this shade here called Digging You, and I'm just going to pop it where I have put that yellow colour. However, I'm not going to blow it out quite as much. I'm going to keep it in a more sort of concentrated area, and I am going to use the same brush again. Now I can kind of see that that colour there isn't blending quite as well. Okay, once I blended it a little bit more with a clean fluffy brush, it actually blended okay. It just takes a little bit more work than that yellow shade. And again, I'm just running that under the eye. Okay, so that is that colour there, and I think what I'm going to do is just go back in with the yellow just to intensify it again, because I feel like I've lost a little bit of the pigment. Okay, like so. I really can't decide which of the shimmers I'm going to use because I really like them, especially this one and this one here. I think they are just absolutely beautiful. I think they're pressed glitters. I think that one it is as well. I think I'm going to go with the black, but just a very small bit. So the black is called Let's Do It. And I'm going to use quite a fluffy brush for this because I really don't want like loads, but I am just going to pop it onto my outer corner. I'm not sure now. I don't like the black. I'm just going to blend it with a bit of the brown again, just to sort of deepen it out. And then on a clean, fluffy brush, just blend, and just ever so slightly under my waterline. So that is just going to give it a little bit of depth. And what I did is I just used that brown, digging it over the black because I felt like the black was too cool toned. I will say with this palette there isn't any fallout, which is brilliant, especially for like a black on a fluffy brush. And I imagine if I was using this black on a dense brush it would be super pigmented. So if you do use it, just obviously be careful. So I'm just sort of patting it in and then pulling it over. Okay, and then I'm going to take this slightly shimmery brown called Big Brooch and sort of pop it here just to start blending the black into the eyelid. Normally I wouldn't use a shimmer here, but oh, fallout on that one. However, I don't feel like this palette is giving me much more choice. So... oh, it's a nice colour though, I like that. That's okay, I don't mind that tiny bit of fallout. That's the first shade that we've had it on. I quite like that brown actually, even though I've got a little bit of fallout and it is quite a lot of, it's like a glitter. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. Yeah, I quite like that colour actually. It's sort of matte, but it just has like these sparkles in. Oh, and now I really don't know what colour to use. Oh my gosh, that there is absolutely beautiful. I literally just touched my fingers into those, but I think this one is going to be the winner, so I'll show it you in a sec. Okay, so I am gonna use this called O-Team or A-U-Team. Is it French? Who knows, but I am gonna take my finger, pop it into the pigment like so. Oh my god, it's like, wow, oh my gosh, that's like a foil. Wow, oh my god, look at that colour. It's all over my face, but wow, I'm so impressed. I like. So literally that is just using the warmth of my hands. Wow, okay, so that colour is amazing. I did get a little bit of fallout, but you know, when the shimmer looks like that, I don't care. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use 24K and I'm also going to pop that onto the brow bone. Wow, that colour is so pretty. Wow, I absolutely love this. I think that looks amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the eyes finished and I'm absolutely in love with it. Let me come closer so you can see. I really, really do like it. Okay, let me zoom back out and then I'll give you my final thoughts on this palette. Okay, so I really love this palette. I really like the formula of the shimmers especially. I only had a problem with that digging it colour, but once I worked with it a little bit more it was much better, and I did have a bit of fallout with the shimmer shades, but that is kind of to be expected most of the time. I really like the black as obviously it didn't have any fallout, which is really great for a black, and I think it's nice and compact. I think the only thing that I would change is I would just give the inside of it a mirror. And that's it, really. I really hope you liked this look. I am in love with it and I actually wish I was able to go somewhere so I could, like, you know, do something with it. So I will be reusing this probably quite a lot to go out and stuff because, as I said, I really liked the finished look and I think it makes it like a really glamorous kind of smoky gold eye. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments below, have you used this palette before, and are there any other palettes that you want me to try? Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.